And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 52. Let me show you the division. So we yet again create a simple ellipse and rectangle. I select them both and then I go to path and use division. So what it does is it leaves you with the bottom element and also the intersection, but it splits it apart. So here it makes a huge difference what is on top, because the top element will always be used to cut into the bottom element. And you can use it, for example, to create a quarter circle. So if I hold Control here while I create this circle and I go to 45-degree angle, I have a perfect circle. And let me position it down here. I make the fill color red. Now I use the rectangle. I go to the center, snapping helps, and then I left click drag. I select them both, use path division, and now it cuts into the circle and gives me a perfect quarter of it, while also leaving the rest of the circle. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use that principle, but these are the basics of using division in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.